Hi people, a very good day to everyone. Yes, I know it is not a good day because whatever is happening around us is really bad. We know all over the world coronavirus has been spread so widely and so fast, and more than the virus, the people to get the vaccine are in a very huge race. We know India, China, Russia, USA and Cuba, a lot of countries are trying to go in this race, and currently I'll give you the latest update. Who's going to win this race? Actually, it's going to be UK. Yes, the good news has come from Oxford University. We all know every country is working on it. India said they're going to come up with it. Then Russia said they found it, but they said no, it's on September. And China said we are on the final trials on the phase 3. And almost 1.5 lakhs people in their army, they have tested it. And we will be the first ones to come out. And US said we have 4-5 pharma companies and almost on the finishing stage. But who's going to actually win the race is going to be UK's, Oxford University. So let me tell it in detail what's exactly happening. AstraZeneca is a very big, famous, pharma company, and they are very successful. With them, Oxford University has joined together, and they have been doing a lot of, research works, and at last they came up with the vaccine. They did phase 1 and phase 2 trials. It is 100% success, and what they are so surprised and happy is, it is actually killing the virus. So basically people, you are gonna have this vaccine. What will happen is, you don't have this virus, you will not get it. You have this virus, it will kill it inside your body, and you will have antibiotics prepared in your body so that you will fight against it. So this is gonna be a successful vaccine if it's gonna come out to people. Now what they have said is, on July 27th we are entering into the final stage of these trials, and once that is done, trust me, it is a success. And that Trump has already given $1 billion in this development for this vaccine. He has supported it. And when yesterday they said, we are successful in this and we're going to go on July 27th for the final trials, 4 countries, let it be Germany, France, Italy and Netherlands, they have already pre-booked. They have booked in advance for 4 million doses. So trust me people, this is gonna be the real savior of the whole world, because this vaccine comes, the whole pandemic will come to an end. And what AstraZeneca has promised is, in I think it's going to be January 2021 is where they'll start releasing it. By June 2021, the whole world will have this vaccine done, and we will kick this virus out of this whole world. That's what they have promised. So let's wait and watch what's going to happen. And I'm also same like you, keenly looking on it and very focused and waiting for this vaccine. So let's cross our fingers and let's see what's going to happen, and let's say a big salute to AstraZeneca and Oxford University, because they are the best in this particular field, and let's hope for the best. Have a good day. Tara, bye bye, and take care. Okay, wait. So you might think, okay, how are you so sure about this? People, there is a particular journal called Lancet, that is where, every medicine, vaccine, antibiotics, everything's update is being updated there, and every result is being updated there. Any virus all over the world is that it is also updated in it. So you want to know about it, it's very simple. It's in Google, you can just go search for it, and you're going to click that Lancet journal and you're going to open and see it. You will know on July 20th, they are going to release the phase 1 and phase 2 trials results. So based on that, you will know how successful this is, and then you will know how perfect this vaccine is. And let's just hope for good things ahead. Stay safe and stay alive. Stay home. Bye-bye.